Hi, my name is Baldini. I am currently a substance abuse counselor at a local methadone clinic. I have a caseload of right now roughly about 66 clients that I am required to meet with monthly for individual sessions. I'm hoping to get a better understanding of trauma and how social workers kind of react to it and what their role is in different areas. When I think of trauma, I'm not really sure right now where social workers kind of fall into place, so I'm looking forward to gaining that knowledge. From what I've heard, I think trauma is relevant to my future career. One, I deal with clients who have experienced past trauma, whether it's mental, emotional, physical, or or verbal abuse. A lot of the times, my clients have experience with that. So looking forward to gaining additional knowledge that I can also kind of use in my current place of employment. 3 ways that I will take care of myself this semester. Very nervous about taking 2 main classes at once. It stresses me out a lot. So I have some kind of weekend getaways that I've planned, just like day trips, to kind of decompress and get a change of scenery and have a nice relaxing time. I've also been planning out the next 14 weeks as far as when assignments are due and different projects, just so that I have a better understanding of when I have to, one, get things done, and then how I'm going to kind of, divide my time between work and school, and then having some kind of social life outside of that. The third thing that I plan on doing is taking good care of myself. I am hoping to continue with my meal prepping, which is totally not relevant to school, but just kind of focusing on taking care of myself, not only mentally and emotionally, but also, physically as well. I think that'll help me kind of make the best of the next 14 weeks. So that is my introduction video. I look forward to watching everyone else's videos and seeing how the next 14 weeks go. All right, thank you so much.